Joanna Wilson here, Team Tanfoglio USA. I have the new Tanfoglio Tactical Pro. This gun comes with the stock 1 frame. It has 4 holes drilled for the optic mount, or you can have a thumb rest if you choose to install that there. It has a stock 2 top end with a 1/2 by 28 threaded bull barrel so that you may utilize a suppressor. This gun also comes with a optic plate system so that you can utilize either iron or an optic plate system, or you can switch out to the rapid sight system. It comes with 2 magazines. One of them is a flush magazine that will fit. The other comes with an extended base pad. This is a great option for any gun collectors out there or the tactical guys out there looking for a steel frame gun that is high quality. So we already gave you all the statistics on this Tactical Pro. Now we're going to show you what it's like in action. The new Tanfoglio Tactical Pro is a nice heavy gun that handles recoil really well. This gun is very fun to shoot. Obviously, it's going to be even better with the suppressor on it.